The Blue Buffalo adult chicken and brown rice recipe. This is really great dog food. I picked this up in a 15-pound package here. You can see I just cut the top off on like a quarter of the top, and then I fill this container up right here, and this is what I feed our dog with. We have a dog, he's a little under 20 pounds. We just keep this on the floor. He eats this. We use the Blue Buffalo dry food and the Blue Buffalo wet food as well. So this is really great stuff. He really likes this. We switch between the chicken and brown rice and the beef dry food, and then for the wet food, we do like the beef, the chicken, the turkey, the sweet potato, and fish. We try all of them. Blue Buffalo is a really great brand. We really like the fact that they have really good ingredients and they stand behind what they're making here. They're not using like, they're not cutting corners on the ingredients. It's a really great ingredient profile. Our dog, he's a little under 20 pounds. He's been eating this for quite some time, and he always eats it. He really likes it. And I like the fact that I picked this up in a 15-pound package here, keep it in here, and then just fill up the bowl on an as-needed basis. But this is the Blue Buffalo dry dog food. It's the adult chicken and brown rice formula, 15-pound package. Highly recommend picking this up.